model, 2002 Ford Transit 280 short wheelbase, starts runs TDDI camper conversion needs clutch slave cylinder. Body, white, camper. Mileage, 104,413. Engine, 1998 cc 2.0 TD. Transmission, 5-speed manual. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. Will need the clutch slave cylinder replacing as the clutch pedal is on the floor. Also it will need an ignition barrel. Still starts as it is not expensive at all. Still starts and runs perfectly. Very nice camper conversion, definitely worth repairing. Grin. Condition summary, bodywork is indecent. Average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is indecent. Average condition still more than comfortable. Rear camping area is indecent, average condition, genuine honest camper. Features, hob, sink, wind-up windows, bed, fridge, fully fitted camper, inverter. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.